Standards are the distilled wisdom of people with expertise in their subject matter. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week, we talked about the Nigerian stock market, 2015 expectation and outlook. Today, we want to look at the minimum operating standards for dealing members as set by the NSE. The Nigerian Stock Exchange, through its latest circular to the market, reiterated its decision to go ahead with the implementation of the minimum operating standard (MOS) for dealing member firms of the exchange with effect from 2015. According to the exchange, the 5 broad areas it intends to carry out the minimum standard requirement implementation include manpower and equipment, organizational structure and governance, effective processes, global competitiveness, and technology. Under manpower, for instance, a dealing firm is expected to have efficient human resources to see to the daily operations of the firm in order to ensure effective service delivery and risk control, while technology requires that the operational environment in today's capital market is chiefly driven by modern technology. To kick off the implementation process, all dealing members are required to submit one final MOS compliance level report in a prescribed template not later than March 31, 2015, as they shall cease to submit monthly copies of such report. Failure to comply by the stipulated date will lead to immediate suspension from trading. Furthermore, the exchange will from April 2015 conduct thematic review and examination to evaluate each dealing member's level of compliance with the MOS, while firms that have partially complied by the fourth quarter of 2015 may be provided additional timelines to comply appropriately. The accommodation of additional timelines is likely to be accompanied by penalties as appropriate, as dealing members that are not in compliance with the MOS by Q4 2015 will be advised to reclassify from broker-dealer status to a classification with lower MOS requirements, such as broker or dealer, or become sub-brokers, or exit the market in an orderly manner. Nigerian Stock Exchange developed the minimum operating standard to achieve the following: improve corporate governance in dealing members, strengthen and deepen the capital market, develop world-class and global competitive capital market operators, restore investors' confidence and create wealth, protect investors and develop a sustainable market, and reduce the cost of capital formation and increase economic growth. It is expected that compliance with these standards will result in improved market confidence in the long run. Currently, the UBA rights issue is ongoing at 4 Naira with offer ratio of 1:10, and it is expected to close on 5th February 2015, while Sovereign Trust Insurance PLC is expected to open its rights issue on 12 January 2015. Also, Arden McCall Real Estate Investment Trust 2.6 billion units at 5 Naira 15 kobo per unit is on in the market. The offer opened on 4 December 2014 and is expected to close on 14th January 2015. The Nigerian stock market closed second day of trading in 2015 in the red zone to maintain previous outlook after closing 2014 with 16.14% loss, while 2015 year-to-date performance currently stands at 6.16% loss at the end of trading on 6 January 2015. NSE announces the delisting of Oasis Insurance PLC. FBN Insurance Limited, a subsidiary of FBN Holdings PLC, has concluded the takeover of Oasis Insurance PLC, having acquired 71.2% equity interest through a block divestment in February 2014. In accordance with the rules of the Securities and Exchange Commission, FBN Insurance Limited make a mandatory takeover bid for the remaining 28.8% equity interest in Oasis Insurance PLC. By the close of the takeover bid on 31st July 2014, FBN Insurance Limited received a total of 1,289,493,953 million ordinary shares, bringing its outstanding in Oasis Insurance PLC to approximately 91.1%. At the close of trading on December 31, 2014, and in furtherance to the application from Oasis Insurance PLC for voluntary delisting, the exchange delisted the company and its entire ordinary shares on the daily official list. That's all we have for you on this edition of the Nigerian Investor. I remain your regular anchor until I come away again next week. Bye for now.